Okay, so hi guys, myself Puneet Kathuria. I'm 21 years old. So I'm a freelance model and a pageant ramper coach. I started with this 2 months back. Like this was a God's plan. I never intended to do this, but yeah, now I am here and I enjoy it a lot. So when it comes to posing, you guys have to keep a few things in mind. First of all, your body language should be very poised. Even when you are talking, this is the posture you should hold. Or maybe your left leg should be in front. You can keep the hand on your waist and talk like this. Your eyes should be very loud, eyebrows left, cheek left. Just, the end of your enamels, just, squeeze them so that you get that cheek lift. Like, while the other person is asking you a question, you can just squeeze your enamels like this and give a very soft, subtle smile. And when it comes to your posing, whenever you are posing for your head shots, your full shots, your mid-length shots, just make sure your shoulders are pulled back, your chest is out, your hips are out. Most importantly, your left leg should be in front and right leg diagonally behind the left foot. You can play with your hands. First chance, you can keep it on the thigh, the back of your hip area, sideways. You can play with your collarbone, use your eyes. You can then, bring a little gap between your legs. Like most of you guys are wearing slit dresses. So like, just imagine I have a slit from here. So you can just, use this slit. This is called knee pop. This is called L stance. And hand movement should be like this. Not too much gap between your fingers. Very minimal gap. Cool? Move this side, use your face. So like, if you just want to pose, can you just hold this for a second? Yeah. So if I have to give my, posing shots, so like if I have to give my head shots, I can do this. I can do this. Halka, so you can, just, eyes should be like very strong. You can bend a little, look directly into the camera, use your hands, fingers in the best way possible. You can, maybe just bend down a little, use your waist sideways. You can keep your hands on your shoulders. So like your eyes should be the main character. Like whenever you're walking as well, your eyes should be the main character so that, when you're walking, just look directly into the eyes of the judge or the jury panel. So like you should give equal attention to the entire panel and then come back exactly to the center person. So that even if something goes wrong from here, that person is not able to notice because you did not let him go down. You are directly looking into his or her eyes. So if he or she will notice something, you will get to know what part they were focusing on. So like that's mind psychology. So like even, and this is something which you should do for turns. So just imagine if I'm taking a side turn. So like when I have to get back to the turn, so just make sure you are directly looking back into the eye so that you look very powerful and the attention is back. And this way we are creating an illusion because just imagine we took a side turn and the other person is imagining that we are going back. But we gave them a boom shot with the hair flip. And you should have these knee pops always. While walking, there should be knee pops. Use your shoulders, your collarbone. Apply a lot of highlighter on your collarbones so that, when you're posing, when you're bringing your hands down, this area is getting highlighted. Everything is getting highlighted. And most importantly, when you're participating in a pageant, do not let anything hold you back. Obviously, even I have a lot of insecurities, maybe a lot more than you guys. But when I am on stage, this is an opportunity. I know this is something which was something that I was dreaming of 5 or 10 months ago or 5 or 10 years ago. I was, actually dreaming that I'll stand on a stage like this. I was a failure in life. But now, if I have this opportunity, I should not be thinking about it that, this is not looking nice, this is not looking nice. There is something special about you guys. That is why you guys are here. Otherwise, there are a lot of other women. Delhi is filled with women, working women, a lot of women who want to do modeling. There is no woman I feel who doesn't, want to get into pageantry or who doesn't like being pictured or dressed up. Everyone has has a heart, and obviously everyone wants to enjoy their life. But you guys have that moment. So the moment you become insecure on stage, you lose everything. So that is something that you have to keep in mind, that you should be very strong-headed. While posing and everything, just make sure that I am the inner diva and I am the winner here. No matter you win or not, you are already a winner if you step here because you were one of the chosen ones. So that is something that you have to keep in mind. Secondly, while posing, just make sure you suck your breath in, no matter how slim you are. Still, because that gives you a very fuller effect and you look taller. Like I am actually sucking in my breath so that my back comes out automatically. It's like whenever you are posing, you have to make sure that there is this C section in your body. There is this C section. ठीक है? ये C section हमेशा होना चाहिए. So like when you're walking sideways as well, you have to have that C section. And eyes should be very powerful. Hand movement should be very minimal. जितना legs खुल रही हैं, उतने ही hands आगे जाएंगे. And अब जैसे, just imagine this is a panel. This is the panel that I have to, actually impress. So अब ये सारे judges हैं. अब मैं इस पे एक पे ध्यान, अब जैसे मैं सिर्फ इन पे ध्यान देना शुरू कर दूँ, बाकी लोगों की लिस्ट से मैं आउट हूँ, क्योंकि उनको तो attention नहीं मिला ना. And that is something that you have to keep in mind. But if I want to give everyone the attention, let's just assume that this whole first row is my panel. So I'll start from here, and I'll look into everyone's eyes, and when I'm going back, then I'll come back to the main person who would be the national director or the head of the pageant. Because I know these guys are the judges, but I know the last call would be of that person. So this psychology you have to keep in mind. ठीक है? Baki, we would be having a ramp walk session as well after this. So for now, let's just, okay, this is the only one? Okay, so apart from this, okay, so there are two tones that I would suggest all of you guys to maybe include in your work or inculcate in your work. So one is 360 and one is 180. So these are very simple tones. P stands, yeah, I already told them. Yeah, so, but I'll still tell you guys again, your left leg should always be in front. This is called knee pop. This is called T stance, but for a, comfortable position somehow, because see, it's very difficult to walk like this. So just make sure that the other leg is in half diagonal and the front leg a little bit up from the heel. And your walk should always be heel to toe. And most of the people do not have cross in their walk. Most importantly, when it comes to the basics, let's start from the upper area. So like your face should be, yeah, so when it comes to the basics, so let's just start from the very beginning. So like when it comes to the face area, so your face area, your chin should be, where should your chin be? So let's just assume यहाँ पे Adam's apple होता है, यहाँ से हम हाथ आगे लेके आए and chin down. This is my perfect chin area. My chin should not move from here. Even if I'm doing a head lift, it should come back directly to here. Cool? Otherwise, you can practice with a notebook. Okay? Then let's come down to the shoulder area. Shoulders should always be pulled back, C-section. Cool? Then you should have cross in your walk. Most of the people do not have cross in their walk. So for that, I'll give you a trick. Just imagine this is a line. Cool? So I'll show you the difference. अभी मैं सीधा चलूँगा. Look at my waist. इतना waist movement नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? I'll just walk on the sides of the lines, तो waist movement automatically आ जाएगा, ठीक है? So like this is like when we prepare for exams, we prepare for 100% and then we narrow it down to 60%. So just to open up your waist, we'll walk on the sides of the line, but at the end, we have to walk one after the other. Then, when it comes to the turns, One is 360, one is 180. So for 360, people do not tell you the exact turn or exact foot that where you have to turn. That is why it looks very difficult. Otherwise, it's very easy. So like if I'm walking like this, cool. The space is very less, but you guys can see it sideways. So if I'm walking like this, and if I have to do a 360, it will always happen on the right foot. So like right, left, then we'll turn on the right foot. Cool? Then back to the position. So like कैसे होगा 360? Right leg, left leg, then lift the toes, and then back. Cool? Any doubt in this? Cool. Repeat. Okay, so like if you are walking right, left, right, left, right. Cool? And then back to the position. Cool? Now when it comes to 180, just imagine this is the ramp. I'll do this side as well. So like just imagine this is the ramp. So like then I'll move sidewards. Then I'll lift my right leg and keep it like I'll take a very short step here and then turn this way. And then you come back to the position. Cool? Then you can do this and then you can go back. Cool? क्या था? देखो यहाँ से जब हम जा रहे हैं तो हमने ये किया, यहाँ से हमने राइट लेग से एक छोटा सा स्टेप लेके हमने पावर के साथ टर्न किया एंड देन दिस. कूल? देन यू कैन वॉक साइडवर्ड्स एंड हैंड्स शुड बी वेरी एलिगेंट. ठीक है? जैसे अगर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली लोग चलते हुए हाथ ऐसे रख लेते हैं सीधा. दैट्स दी मतलब सबसे गलत वे ऑफ कीपिंग योर हैंड्स बिकॉज दैट विल मेक योर बॉडी लुक बहुत ज़्यादा बिगर. एंड किसको हम हग करते हैं? द पर्सन दैट वी लव द मोस्ट. सो लाइक अगर आप अपने हाथ ऐसे रख रहे हो, ऐसे रख रहे हो, it means you're not confident and you do not love your body. Just hug your waist whenever you are keeping hands on your waist. Just hug your waist. So like there is this very basic posing that I have devised where you know your 360, like your body will be visible in all the angles. So like I'll tell you that maybe you guys can try and recall it later on. So like अब आगे जाके हम लोग स्टॉप हो गए. ठीक है? यहाँ पे स्टॉप हो गया. अब यहाँ से हमने दिया फुल प्रोफाइल. राइट लेग गया साइडवेज 1 and 2. देन वील ड्रैग द राइट फुट एंड गो बैक टू द ओरिजिनल पोजिशन. कूल? ये हुआ. देन यहाँ से जस्ट किक एंड हैंड्स डाउन, देन किक बैक एंड हैंड्स अप. कूल? अब इसमें से जिसको जो बेटर लगता है वो आप अपने वॉक में इनकलकेट कर सकते हो. अब उसके अलावा मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ आती है अब यहाँ से बैक कैसे लेना है. इन चीज़ों के नंबर होते हैं. पैजेंट टर्न होता है. ये चीज़ करोगे तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल गेट अ ग्रेस मार्क. ठीक है? अब वो पैजेंट टर्न कैसे करते हैं? अब जैसे हम यहाँ पे ये पोजीशन आ गई, यहाँ पे आपने अपने टोज से हिप आउट किया. ठीक है? इतना समझ आया? देखो ऐसे थे, टोज पे हमने उठ के हिप आउट किया एंड यहाँ से हमने खड़े खड़े टर्न कर लिया एंड देन यू गो बैक. ठीक है? अभी किस स्पेस पे होगा? जैसे 1 and 2 एंड बैक. ठीक है? कैसे? सीधा खड़े हैं. अभी हमने जो भी पोज करना था सब कर लिया. देन यहाँ से हिप आउट एंड टर्न. पाँव नहीं उठाना है, वहीं पे है सब कुछ. यहीं से टोस पे एंड यहीं से टोस पे खड़े खड़े टर्न एंड देन लेफ्ट लेग से बैक एंड देन यू गो बैक. अब लास्ट में जाके हमें मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट होता है हेड रैम्प पे आपको पोज कैसे करना है. अब लोग सीधा जाके वहीं से कर्व करके चले जाते हैं. दैट्स नॉट द राइट वे एट ऑल बिकॉज दैट मीन्स कि आप बस भागने के लिए आए हो एंड यू जस्ट आर इन अ हरी और मे बी यू आर टू कॉन्शियस टू बी ऑन स्टेज. So take your time. That's my only suggestion. So like when you're going back, तो जब ये पैर इधर गया left leg, तो ये right leg इधर जाके just turn and then take a back. So like अब मैं यहाँ से अगर अगर मैं यहाँ से बैक करके जा रहा हूँ तो यहाँ से I'll take a turn and then I'll drag and back. So don't just go back like in a curve. Take your time, turn back. And even for entries, like if you want to stand out, most of the लड़कियाँ क्या करती हैं, जाती हैं that 20-year-old thing, ठीक है? If you want to stand out, what you can do is, आप गए यहाँ से, आप यहाँ पे खड़े हुए, आपने टर्न किया, ये हेड रैम्प पे पोज दिया आपने, साइडवेज जाके आप खड़े होके देन आप यहाँ से साइडवेज आगे गए. यू कैन ऑलवेज डिवाइज योर ओन वर्क इन ऑर्डर टू स्टैंड आउट. अगर आपको मिड रैम्प पे भी पोज करना है तो आप ये पोजिंग दे के भी आगे जा सकते हो. यू कैन प्ले विद योर हेयर, यू कैन प्ले विद योर बॉडी. दिस मूवमेंट शुड ऑलवेज बी देयर. दिस वेस्ट मूवमेंट शुड ऑलवेज बी देयर. देयर शुड बी अ हिप स्विंग, वेस्ट मूवमेंट, एवरीथिंग शुड बी देयर. ठीक है? इसके अलावा कोई डाउट? दिस वॉज ऑल फ्रॉम माई एंड. कोई डाउट अगर तो आई कैन रिपीट. थैंक यू. कोई भी डाउट? यस. नो, हमेशा हाथ आई वुड से नीचे रखो. सो लाइक व्हेन यू आर वॉकिंग जस्ट मेक श्योर जितना लेग्स आगे जा रहा है उतना ही. एंड व्हेन यू आर पोजिंग देन ग्रेजुअली बिल्ड योर हैंड. और जब हाथ नीचे भी अगर लेके जाना है तो अब देखो, अगर मुझे हाथ यहाँ से नीचे लेके जाना है तो आई विल फील माई बॉडी एंड देन आई विल ग्रेजुअली लीव माई हैंड. अगर मेरे को हाथ ऊपर रखना है तो मैं यहाँ से अगर चल के जा रहा हूँ और मेरे को हाथ ऊपर रखना है तो आई विल बिल्ड माई हैंड, नॉट जस्ट कीप इट लाइक दिस. कूल? चलो. या हाँ, नहीं, अगर लेग चेंज भी करना है, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, दैट यू शुड हैव अ लॉट ऑफ बैलेंस इन योर मूव्स. अगर आप ऐसे खड़े हो, अगर आपको लेग चेंज करना है, आप ऐसे आ जाओ. आपने जस्ट ये किया, यहाँ से आपने स्मूथली बस ये कर दिया. हाँ हाँ, साइड में यूँ खड़े हो सकते हो आप. दिस इज ऑल्सो द पोस्चर. ऐसे भी खड़े हो सकते हो, ऐसे भी खड़े हो सकते हो. इट्स ऑन यू. या यस यस यस. तो आप ऐसे खड़े हो अगर, तो आप ड्रैग करके फुट आगे लेके आके यहाँ रख दो. कूल? चलो, थैंक यू सो मच.
I hope you found the session interesting, informative. थोड़ा कुछ सीखने को मिला. अब आप इसको mentally इसके notes बना के practice कर सकते हो. And you can use some pointers in your walk, right? Okay. Thank you, Puneet. Just wait for a moment.